are so excited. We are here today at Firestation 73. Here is my friend Melanie. Hi, Melanie. Hi. And I also have my friend Ellie here too. And we are going to ask Chief Crater of Firestation 73 a few questions.
Yay!
Yes, are we ready to learn about the fire station and all about firemen today?
Yeah!
Yay! Let's go!
Yay!
Oh, hi! Hello, Chief Crater. We are so excited to chat with you today. We would love to learn all about what you do here at Fire Station 73 in Temecula, California. Oh, and I brought a couple of friends with me today. We have some great questions for you.
I'd love to. I'd love to show you the fire station here at 73 in Temecula. That'd be great, Robert.
Oh, I'm so excited. Yay!
Yay, let's get started.
Okay, let's. Oh, Chief Crater, can you tell us what is your job as chief?
Sure. Here in the city of Temecula as a fire chief, I sit on the executive team and I manage the fire department. I make sure that the fire stations are staffed. I make sure the budget is well taken care of. And then I also take care of our people here. I have over 120 employees, 8 fire stations that are in my division, and all the equipment needs to be ready and in service for emergencies in the community.
Oh, wow. Those are some very important jobs. What is your favorite part about being chief?
The favorite part of being chief, Robert, is actually just being out in the community with the people, and then also responding to large, complex incidents and being able to mitigate those and have a positive outcome, not only for the city, but in the region and in the division that I cover.
Oh, great. Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, Chief Crater, how do the firemen know when there is a fire?
Well, the alarms go off at the fire station, and then our dispatch center tells them where they're going and what type of call it is.
Oh, great. I always wanted to know that.
There it is, Robert. We got a call.
Oh, great. Oh, this is so exciting. Thank you. Oh,
It's time to go.
okay, let's go. We hear you have a new ladder truck. Can we learn all about your new ladder truck?
Sure, we do here in the city of Temecula have a new ladder truck, and I'm gonna have engineer Brett Miner show you everything about it.
Oh, great. Oh, do you mind if I bring some of my friends with me that I brought today?
Sure, bring all you want.
Oh, great. Yay.
It'll be amazing.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you. Oh, hi, I am Robert's friend, and I'm so excited to learn about the new ladder truck. Can you take me around and show me about the ladder truck?
Absolutely, I'd be delighted to.
Oh, great.
First of all, this is a brand new piece of equipment for the city of Temecula, and it is called a ladder truck because of the 101-foot ladder that we have on top of here. It is driven by the front part, which we call the tractor, which has a huge diesel motor and enough power to pull this thing around the city. It weighs a lot, it's about 30 tons and it weighs a lot, so we have to have a lot of power to drive it around. And our main job with this thing is to be able to put the ladder on top of very, very tall buildings and to rescue people and pull them out of windows.
Oh, yes, that's what I was going to ask you. What does the ladder do?
So when we drive around in this thing, it's able to turn from the back so we could get into small areas and be able to maneuver and make sharp turns. And then when we get to the fire, It has these huge legs that come out and stabilize it. And then I get up top there and I can control the ladder like a big toy. I can move the ladder around. I can put it to the top of the building, and I can have 101 feet of this ladder to reach something in order to save somebody or to put a fire out.
Oh my, that is amazing. Great, thank you.
You're very welcome.
How does the ladder go up and down?
Well, there's a few things on here that help it work. There's a couple big, they call them rams, and they have fluid in them. And when the fluid gets pushed through there, it actually pushes the ladder up with incredible strength, like superhuman strength. And then from there, all I have to do is there's a few controls, and it's very simple. It's literally just up, down, left, and right, and then I can move the ladder, like we call it extend or retract, and that makes the ladder longer or shorter. And it's very simple. It's kind of like a big Tonka truck is what it is.
Oh, great. Can we see?
Absolutely.
Yay!
Are you guys ready?
Oh, we're ready. Are you ready?
Absolutely.
Yay!
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
What do you think, Rob? That's cool. All right.
Oh, here we go. We're going so high. Oh, this is great. Thank you.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my, look at this.
Now we're going out.
Oh my goodness. Oh boy, this is so neat. Oh my goodness, look how high it goes.
Would you
There it
climb
is.
that?
Oh, I would. I think I would, yes. Let's
Okay.
go climb it, yeah.
101 feet. There it is.
This is so great. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
So much fun. Oh, Chief Crater, can you tell me a little bit about the back part of the fire truck?
Yeah, we call that the tiller box. That's where the tiller firefighter drives and they steer the rear end of the truck. So we could actually take this truck out all the way to the side and shut down lanes of the freeway if we want. Or if we get in really tight apartment complexes, we have more maneuverability so we can get to the incident.
Oh, great. I wanted to thank you so much for your time and your team's time with us and showing us how the ladder truck works. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you, Chief Crater.
Thank you for coming, Robert. You're welcome back anytime, and maybe next time we'll make you an honorary firefighter.
Oh, great! I love it! Oh, thank you, and goodbye!
Goodbye.